Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets. And my friends, I had to upload this quick video to give you a little heads up. So I sold my position in Snail. So ticker is SNAL. And as you can see here on the screen, my friends, so the stock was up today at 63% in one day. And now after hours, it's up 16.77%. So over the last 5 days, we're up over 122%. Even done with the after hours, we are up like 100, around about 140%. So guys, this is simply crazy. I mean, let's look at this chart here. So look at this chart. So I was, how much money did I make? Yeah, I guess I'm going to tell you immediately. So that's maybe the most important part. So because I'm very transparent on this, my friends. So this is now here for my portfolio, a little screenshot. So how much money I made. So you see I bought already beginning of December in 23. So that's round about 1 year ago, and then I bought a little bit more in April because I saw that there might be some potential to the upside even when it was going down. So yeah, I made round about 450 euros, around about 450 euros, so 80%, round about 80%. And I decided, guys, I mean, at this point, so look, this is the 5-year chart. So the stock comes from $3, so, and I sold it at $2. And let's be honest. So if we look here at the chart, so this really looked like a massive short squeeze. And I don't know if we're in the time where let's say like the GameStop bubble times. Are we back in this micro cap bubble times where one short squeeze after another happens? So I don't know. So I would assume that the possibility for the stock to go down again is higher. And to be honest, also it was an investment that was actually pretty bad throughout 2023, and it's a small investment, so I didn't invest a lot, so like $500-600. No, I simply doubled my money. So that's part of the investing game. Therefore, I'm buying also some small stocks, because those small stocks, those micro caps, now 61 million here market cap, they sometimes have this crazy attitude. So if the stock would have gone up slowly, then I would have said, oh, let's hold it. So like a Meta, like a Palantir. So stocks like this, then I'm absolutely fine holding them. But going up, having this short squeeze and then after hours squeeze and everything, so then it doesn't really feel so good in my opinion, guys. So also then I try to find out, my friends, so I try to find out what is the reason. So this is, I asked Croc, what's going on, Croc? So tell me what it is. And then Croc answered, so based on the latest information from financial news sources on posts on X, so stock performance Snail has shown significantly volatility recently. The stock experienced a substantial increase, jumping 40% to $1.02, as mentioned in an X post. So a further rise where it closed at 167, up 63% on the 7th of October. After hours, it continued. So market sentiment, there's a mix of cautious optimism and speculation around Snail. So an X post highlighted that Snail needs to maintain its stock price above $1 for 10 consecutive business days to remain listed on the Nasdaq. So that's probably true. I can't verify this, to be honest. So, and I'm also not going to verify this now, especially since I sold the stock. Setting a critical threshold for the company. Another post indicated a parabolic continuation at 160, suggesting expectations for volatility and advising traders to be cautious with their risk-reward ratio. So that's very important. So I was a bit more long-term in the stock. I know those games. I like those games. I can show you some of those games shortly. But yeah, this is if a stock gives you 100% like this in one day, then you take the money. You mostly take the money. So fundamental news, there hasn't been recent specific news directly from Snail that would typically drive such a stock movement, indicating that the price action might be influenced by broader market trends, sector performance, or Speculative trading. The company involved in electronic gaming and multimedia might be benefiting from trends in the sector. I mean, look at Ubisoft and some other stocks. I don't know if you have a trend like this right now. Community reaction. There's active discussion on platform like X about Snail's potential, with some traders looking at technical indicators and others discussing the low float and short interest, so which could contribute to the stock's volatility. So short squeeze guys. Strategic insight: from an investment perspective, the rapid increase in stock price could attract both opportunity seekers and those wary of a quick retracement given the lack of fundamental news supporting the surge. And then we have written here, please note, while this gives a snapshot based on available data, stock behavior, especially for companies like Snail with smaller market caps, so around about 60 million, can be influenced by numerous unpredictable factors, including retail investor and sentiment, broader market trends, or some company-specific developments not yet widely reported. Always consider such an information as part of a broader analysis if you're thinking about investment decisions. So no financial advice. I'm just a YouTuber, retail investor myself, guys, and I sold the stock, so I don't own this stock anymore. So let's go to the page, snail.com. So they make Ark Survival Ascended. What do we see here? Community Crunch, Aberration Ascended, Bob's Tales. So from September, nothing special. So well, not really anything special here to see. Exponential growth is on the horizon. So overall, gaming industry, get in touch, contact us. So that's their page. If we go on investor, so we have we have actually also a new game that we can check out. Yeah, so last event was 13th of August, and since then I see nothing. So even if there's something changing in the management board of those beautiful people, so what is changing there? This looks like actually someone is squeezing the stock, my friend. So and if a stock gets squeezed, you can just run it up. Sometimes triple, maybe it goes to $3 tomorrow or to $4. So I really don't know, guys. I really don't know. To be honest, it doesn't make any difference. At one point, you have to sell a stock that goes parabolic like this. So for the stars, we have some, they create some new games, so you can wishlist here on Steam for the stars. Snail Games 4100. I mean, this looks like a beautiful game, guys. So it looks like a beautiful game. So I'm not saying anything, but it's just the way how the stock reacted. So probably I'm wrong, and I was already wrong with Bluebird for today, but I still think that if Silent Hill 2 is not selling the numbers, it's not selling the number, even being overwhelming positive right now on Steam, but it's not selling the numbers, that the company then might drop again. So hey, but no financial advice, my friends. What do I know? I know nothing. I mean, I just made 100% on my little stock here on that's Bluebird. Made 100% on Snail. So nothing more to say here. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.